Making spicy garlic butter ramen. Adding 4 cups water, 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon, and bring this to a simmer at medium heat. In a separate pot, add 3 tablespoons butter. Let that almost melt all the way. And then add 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Cook the garlic in the butter for about 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic chili paste, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, half teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix that all up. Cook for about 30 seconds. And then move your garlic butter sauce to your broth. And mix that all up. And bringing the broth to a boil. And adding 2 packs of top ramen noodles. Cooking the noodles for about 3 minutes. Topped off with a soft boiled egg and green onion. And now time to enjoy.